If you'd like to know more about the YouTube Shorts feature, then in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel. And we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here, helping you grow your YouTube channel. The new YouTube Shorts feature has been out for a couple of weeks and people are still getting to grips on how to use it. While some people are having great success with YouTube Shorts, others are finding it a bit of a waste of time. So in this YouTube Shorts tutorial, I'm going to show you what you need to do to be able to use YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel and take advantage of this new feature. So currently YouTube Shorts are still a bit of the Wild West. The YouTube Shorts app, which is in beta, is only really available in India. There have been rollout to other regions, so it could be available in your area. Now, if you've seen it on your phone and you're in India or somewhere else in the world, let me know how you're using that in the comments area. I'd love to know how you're taking advantage of this new YouTube Shorts beta app. Now, YouTube Shorts has been made to compete directly with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short form content has really taken off on TikTok, and this is why YouTube are wanting more creators to create that short form content on their platform. YouTube Shorts is a great opportunity for some creators to grow their YouTube channel. I will get into that, how you can grow your YouTube channel with YouTube Shorts in a minute, especially if you're a small YouTuber. Now, YouTube Shorts is different from YouTube Stories. Firstly, in order to get stories on YouTube, you have to have 10,000 subscribers at the time of recording this. But that's only if your content isn't made for kids. If you have over 10,000 subscribers and your content is made for kids, you can't get access to stories. Plus, your content is only available for 7 days. After that, it disappears from the platform. Whereas with YouTube Shorts, you don't need any subscribers to be able to access YouTube Shorts. So if you've just started your channel, then you can start creating shorts and uploading them to your channel right now. Plus, if your content is for kids, it doesn't make any difference. You still have access to shorts as well. And the other thing is that your content, it doesn't expire, it doesn't disappear, it's on your YouTube channel forever. Okay, to access YouTube Shorts, all you have to do is go to the mobile app on your phone, go to a video, and then scroll down to the Shorts area. You will have a separate area for stories if you want to view them. That will have its own shelf, but you want to go to the Shorts video shelf. In here is shorts that YouTube have selected for you. We haven't seen a way where it will be given to you depending on your browser preferences, but that will change over time. So go to the area, select a video, and you can watch it. So with these, there's no pause or anything like that. You can't scrub back. The videos autoplay. So I'm just going to turn the volume down on this. So you do get a subscribe button, which you'll see there in red. And if you want to view more shorts from that creator, you click on their name, and then that will go over to their channel and bring up the other shorts on their channel. So you can browse through them. And if you want to go to their channel, their whole channel, then just click on their icon again, and that will bring you over to their channel. And to go back, you just click on the back button like so, and I'll bring up my video again. So that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to go through more content, you just swipe up. So we'll bring another video. And this is why it's important that you get your content right when creating your shorts. And we'll come to that in a minute. So you can swipe up, swipe down to get to more content. There is no way to sort of be able to click on numerous pieces of content. It's just whatever YouTube is feeding you through this section of the YouTube app. So you can just swipe up, you look at the content, and that's pretty much it. Now, it probably will work that the more shorts you watch of a particular creator, that you'll get new shorts from them into the short shelf feed on your app. There isn't a YouTube Shorts shelf on desktop yet. It's only really available on mobile, but you can view those shorts on desktop on their channel. So to get your videos on the short shelf, all you need to do is create a vertical video with your phone. Your video needs to be 60 seconds or less, or in the vertical 9:16 format. Upload it to your YouTube channel, whether from your phone or via desktop, and then put in hashtag shorts in the title and the description. Now, there are some cases of older vertical videos making it into YouTube Shorts because they're less than 60 seconds and they're in the 9:16 format without hashtag shorts in the title or description. But put it in there anyway, it can't hurt. Now, important things to focus on here when you're creating shorts for YouTube is that you need to focus on your intro even more so than with your normal YouTube content. As you've seen on the app, the videos autoplay, so you have about 1 to 2 seconds in order to capture the attention of the viewer before they swipe up and go to another video. Attention span is even less than on your normal YouTube videos here, so you're going to have to capture their attention a lot quicker than with your normal videos. Average audience retention is actually going to be very different than on your normal videos as well. Whereas a 50 or 60% or even 70% audience view duration on your videos is great on your normal content, you're looking for over 100%, maybe even up to 200 or 300% average view duration with your YouTube Shorts. This is because you'll have people coming back to your video, they want to see the start again, and this is why it's important that you have your intro spot on with your YouTube Shorts so that people will get hooked on your content in that first 1 to 2 or even 3 seconds. As we mentioned, you do have the subscribe button. You do have descriptions as well, so you need to click on more and then you will see the description pop up there. So if you do have any calls to action, tell people to go and click any links in the description rather than say with a card or an end screen, because these will not show up on YouTube Shorts. With your YouTube Shorts as well, they need to be a complete video. So this means you need to be very creative, all in 60 seconds or less. Don't use this to create a trailer for your other content. It has to be a complete video, and this is why TikTok has been so successful, is that creators have got very creative in creating content in 60 seconds or less. You need to do the exact same thing in order to be successful with YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel. So if you are able to think within that 60-second time span, then this can be a great way for you to create a brand new audience to your content on YouTube. And this is why I'm saying if you are a small YouTuber, this could be fantastic for you because you have nothing to lose. You could get a brand new audience, you could get a couple of thousand subscribers on your YouTube channel from YouTube Shorts if you're struggling with your normal content on your channel. If you can get creative and be able to have that content that captivates an audience in 60 seconds or less, this could be the thing to blow up your channel. Now, if you're a business and you're trying to get customers and grow your audience through YouTube, this may not be the thing for you. You'll probably still need to do your how-to content and your tutorials and your marketing videos, and YouTube Shorts may not be worthwhile for you to invest your time in. Your titles also need to be shorter as well. You'll need to have your titles 40 characters or less rather than up to 100 on your normal videos. So again, this is forcing you to be punchy with your titles of your videos, which is very important to grab the attention, as well as creating content in such a short time as well. Now, if you've been creating content on TikTok, this is a great way for you to bring that over to the YouTubes and upload it there. Lots of TikTokers are now bringing their content over to YouTube. And of course, this brings more opportunities for them to grow their audience, to get more brand deals, all those good things by growing an audience on YouTube. Now, I will say, do not steal people's content from TikTok and put it on your YouTube channel. I know that there are actually organizations out there trying to get the money back for those TikTokers whose content has been stolen and uploaded to YouTube. And it's only a matter of time before those videos will get a strike or they'll be taken down and those channels deleted by YouTube because they've stolen all that content. So either create content for TikTok and upload it to YouTube, or create content specifically for YouTube Shorts. Well, what about monetization, I hear you say? Great question. So, will these YouTube Shorts videos get monetized? The answer is yes and no. If your videos are being watched on the YouTube app on the Shorts shelf, then they don't count towards your monetization and they don't help you get into the YouTube Partner Program. Ads are not currently being served on those videos yet, but I can see that changing over time. As YouTube Shorts matures, we will see the ads will be put on there, especially when videos are getting millions and millions of views, and YouTube want to take advantage of that with serving ads on them. So if you get 1 million views on YouTube Shorts, it doesn't count towards monetization, or as I said, the YouTube Partner Program. If you get those views on desktop, people going through your normal channel as opposed to the Shorts shelf, then yes, it will. And that's where I said yes and no. It will count there if it's viewed on desktop, but if it's viewed on the Shorts shelf, you don't get that watch time towards your monetization 4,000 hours. So for smaller YouTubers, this is a fantastic opportunity to grow your audience. But what about existing bigger YouTubers? Now, the reality is that YouTube Shorts will dramatically drop your average view duration. Because it's 60 seconds or less, you're only going to get a 20 or 30 second average view duration on your content. And this is probably one of the reasons why it doesn't count towards your monetization watch time hours. So the debate is whether to add shorts to an existing channel or create a new channel. The reality is we just don't know. If you have a considerable size channel, then the best thing is probably to create a new channel. If you have a great community on your larger channel, then a lot of them will move over to the brand new Shorts channel and support you there. But as I've said throughout this video, if you are a smaller YouTuber, just stick with your normal channel. This could blow up your YouTube channel and it could really work for you. In the future, I can see YouTube separating these types of videos out because they're two different types of video. Similar to posts or stories, I think they'll have to separate them out as a different type of content. But the reality is we just have to wait and see what happens. Now, if you're using YouTube Shorts, how are you getting on? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know how it's working with your channel. And again, if you're in India or you're using the beta app, let us know about that, how it's going for you in the comments area as well. We'd love to know how your experience is with that. Now, if you are new here, welcome. It's great to have you along to the party. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos every single Tuesday and go live every Saturday to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you'd like to know how to make YouTube Shorts, then watch the next video in this series right there.